Hello, hello, how are you? I'm fine, thank you. And you? I'm fine, thank you. Where are you from? I'm come from England. You come from England? Do you like Manchester United? I don't like football. Uh, uh, you don't like football? I see. Why do you come here? I came for vacation. You came for vacation? Are you having fun? Yes, I'm having a great time. What do you like the people here? What do I like the place? Well, the people are very kind. Yes, the people here are kind. Do you like the food? Do you like the food? Yes, the food is great. Is the food too spicy for you? No, I love spicy food. I can eat spicy food every day. How much longer will you stay here? I will stay here more day. I will stay here tomorrow day. Then you will go home? Then you will go home? Yes, then I will go home. Where, where will you go home? Where do you work? I work for a big company. What what kind of company do you work for? I work for an import company. And what about you? I work as a paint. I work as a paint. Are you a paint tailor? No, I do all.